Hello! Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair orange, Manic Panic Psychedelic Sunset. I don't know why I'm dyeing my hair orange. It was purple before, also Manic Panic. You can see my hair is pretty bleached out completely, a little bit fried, but you know, my original hair color is this dark brown. But today I'm not going to bleach it, I'm just going to apply the color because I'm impatient. Yep, so this is the before look. What I usually do when I dye my hair is put it into sections. Take it down the middle, down the back, all the way, so you have equal amount on one side. Each side eventually you will be taking the front sections. You just separate right behind the ear. So you have your front section. Just use these clips I got at Walmart. They don't work very well. I do not recommend them. Let's see. So then you're left with this section back here. It's easier to see your line of hair if you pull it away from the front section, so you get a nice defined line right there. So now you're left with these front sections here. Before I put this on, I am going to mix it with some conditioner because I'm not sure this little 4-ounce bottle will carry me the whole way, and I want it this bright. If you want to do a pastel color, mixing it with conditioner is the way to go. That's what I did with the purple before, but this one I like that color. It's nice. So I'm gonna just mix a little bit just to make it go a little bit longer. I took a BuzzFeed quiz a couple weeks ago, and it was called, "What color hair should you have?" When I took it, I got orange, so I guess that's where the idea originated. And for the conditioner, I've just used this Tresemme Re-Moisturize. It doesn't really matter what you use as long as it's white. You don't want yellow or orange tint. Well, I want orange, but for most colors, if you just use white, then the color you're mixing it with will stay pretty pure. See, even that small amount of conditioner didn't really make a difference in the color, but it's now, there's a little bit more in there. Might as well put this in my hair. I don't wear gloves because I don't have actual hair dyeing gloves, so I use like cleaning gloves and they just get in the way, and I'd rather have my fingers be tinted a certain color for a day or so. Make sure you have an old rag you can wipe your hands with. I've taken out all of my towels and washcloths so they don't get any color on it. Start on the roots in the front. You want to make sure you have enough color there. Take the end of my hair dyeing brush, make a section right here, separate it, brush this part over. You can get the underside parts, and then continue on this side. Make sure you get the front part, those little baby hairs, then make another section. I'm doing this on dirty hair. My favorite color was orange in 5th grade, and then I hated orange so much because I liked it for so many years and I thought it was the ugliest color. Look at me now. This is my dreadlock. I've had this for a year and a half, and it goes through the dye jobs just fine, so we'll keep that around, despite what my mother says. It's gonna be a surprise for a lot of people. Everyone's like, go blue, do your hair blue, and I'm like, yeah, I could, not today. So this side is done, and I can go ahead and take it back from the middle, back down, and then we'll start on this side and do the same thing. when you do the ends, it's good to use your fingers a little bit and make sure you get all the color mashed in there and all the way to the tip. When I first dyed my hair purple, I mixed my Manic Panic with a lot of conditioner because I wanted a light pastel look. But what ended up happening was I applied all of it in one brush stroke on each section, and I ended up, the ends were way lighter than the top and they faded way faster than the top. So now my reason for doing the roots and then the rest of the hair is so that I can reapply my brush and get the color more saturated in the longer lengths of the hair. These clips suck. I'm gonna run out of hair dye. Help. Salvage everything. Okay, now that it's done, I will let it bake at room temperature. I'm probably gonna keep it on an hour. I ended up leaving on the dye for about an hour and a half, even a little bit longer than that. So it really soaked in. This is sweet. Everyone's gonna be surprised. I also rinsed with cold water, and I'm gonna be doing that for most of my showers. You can see a little bit where I separated my hair, and this section's a little bit darker than the back, but all in all, it turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to, and I really like my new fiery hair.